All right, number 5 of the question. If sine theta is equal to minus half and theta is greater than 0 and less than 270 degrees, find theta. Good. So first, you have minus sign here, but just leave the minus sign out first. Just say sine theta is equals to half. This minus sign indicates which quadrant sign belongs. Because of the minuses, we have minus there. So this will now be theta is equals to arc inverse of half. Half is 0.5, as you know. Arc inverse of, and you know that it was sine 30 degree that gave us half. Sine 30 degree gave us half in special angle, which means arc inverse of sine 0.5 is 30 degree without looking at your four figure table. This special angle, the opposite now. Sine 30 give you 1/2. Good. So now, which means your theta now is 30 degree. But this minus sign here indicates that sine is in the quadrant that is negative. And sine is negative in the third and what? Fourth quadrant. In the third and fourth quadrant. So ideally, we are supposed to work third and fourth quadrant. But the questions limits us. The question says we should solve theta greater than 0 but less than 270, which means 270 is not up to the fourth quadrant. So we will not work the fourth quadrant. But if they say 0 and 360, then you would have worked the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. But since they just say greater than 0 and less than 270, even though sign is negative in the fourth quadrant, you will not work the fourth quadrant. And again, you will not pick this 30 degree because 30 degrees in the first quadrant and sine is already negative and sine is not negative in the first quadrant. So you just go straight to the third quadrant. The third quadrant, we know the angle we use is theta minus 360 equal to theta minus 270. 180, I mean, theta minus 180 is equals to this 30 degree. So theta now will now be equal to 30 plus 180. And that will be equal to what? 210 degree. So your theta is 210 degree. But I mean, they put 360 here. Sine is also negative in the fourth quadrant. It would have also be 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30, and that will be 330. So it will be 210 and 330. But for this case, this is the only answer, 210 degree. So take note of that.